In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bank account in Zoho Books with this full 2025 guide. Zoho Books is a great tool for managing your finances, and setting up a bank account within it allows you to easily track and reconcile your transactions. Whether you're new to Zoho or just looking to get the most out of it, this step-by-step guide will take you through the entire process. First, let's get started by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. This is where we'll begin our setup. From the dashboard, look for the banking option. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on banking. This will lead you to the banking section of Zoho, where we can add and manage our bank account. Next, what you'll want to do is click on Connect Bank with Credit Card. This section allows you to directly connect your bank account to Zoho Books. By integrating your bank account, you can automate transaction imports, making bookkeeping much easier and more efficient. Now, look through the list of available banks. If your bank is listed there, then you're in luck. Simply select it to proceed. However, if your bank is not available in Zoho's list, don't worry, you can still connect it manually. This involves a few extra steps, but I'll guide you through it in a minute. Assuming your bank is listed, go ahead and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials for your bank. Ensure that you enter these details accurately to establish a secure connection between Zoho Books and your bank. Some banks may require additional verification steps, so make sure to follow any on-screen instructions carefully. Once you've entered your banking credentials, continue to connect your account. This connection facilitates real-time transaction updates and keeps your finances organized seamlessly within Zoho Books. However, if you need to enter your bank account manually, here's how to go about it. You will be required to input all pertinent banking information, such as your account number and routing number. Double-check this information for accuracy to prevent any future discrepancies. Finally, after entering all necessary details, confirm the information and proceed to connect your bank account. This will finalize the setup and integrate your bank transactions with Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bank account to your Zoho Books account. With this setup, you'll now have a complete view of your financial data in one place, allowing for better financial management. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!